Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Google Cloud Platform Training. So today I am going to show how to create Dataproc cluster and how we can submit the job. Today I'll be showing here. So first of all, let me open Cloud Shell. So I'll be creating the cluster through command line, and also I'll submit the job. Uh, I'll be submit the job through the command line. Like here, the main idea is to create the cluster and submit the job through command line. So here I just before going to perform this, so I just want to discuss couple of things. So how we can come to the data proc? So there is a search bar. We can search data proc. Here we can search data proc. You can click directly here, then you can come to data pro resource. Otherwise, the another way, you click the navigation bar, and in this navigation menu we'll just the big data section. We'll have to find out the data pro. You can see here data pro is here. So let me click on cluster. There is a way to create the cluster through GUI also. In this video, I just want to show how we can quickly create the cluster and how we can submit the job through gcloud command. That is the whole idea. So let me perform this, how we can create the cluster. Before going to create the cluster, we need to set the region, which region we want to create the cluster. So this is the command gcloud config set dataproc region. For in this case, I'm just taking global, but you can also take any other region as well. Then let me create the cluster through command line. This is the gcloud command, gcloud dataproc cluster create, then cluster name. For my case, I just take example cluster. You can take other name as well. So now my cluster is being created. This started. You can see in console also the cluster is being created. Command line, like say quick method to create the cluster and submit the job through gcloud command. We can uh, create quickly, but there is some other options also we can create through Terraform and also deployment manager. So there is a different thing. So I'll create a separate video for that, how we can create through Terraform, how you can create through deployment manager. So all those things I'll be creating one by one. Uh, so basically today I'm just want to show how we can create through gcloud command line. So my cluster already been cluster created. So now you can click on my cluster and we can check all those configuration details. Uh, that is like this is the monitoring dashboard. We can check what are the memory, the pending memory, all those things we can check here. This is one dashboard to check all those things. What are the job which running? How many VM instance is worker node? Here you can see two worker node and one master. And configuration details you can check here. This is the configuration details page. Web interface also here you can SSH and connect to the instance. So this is all about the cluster information. So let me come to the how we can submit the job through command line that I'm going to show. This is the gcloud command to submit the job in Dataproc. You can see the already job submitting started. So let me check whether is being it is being submitted or not. So let me click on job and we can also check. Yes, you can see here the job already been started. And also let me refresh. It has also, as I can see, the job already been submitted. So let me refresh that, then we can check. Here you can see the job output, step by step what is being happen, all those things we can see here. You can check. So that was the command to create to submit the job. So let me come to the cluster. Now you can see there is a worker node, two worker node. Now the cluster is up and running. So if you want to upgrade the worker node 2 to 4 or 2 to many as per our working load. So that is the idea here to the up and running cluster, how we can upgrade our worker node. That is also possible in Google Cloud. So that I want to show. Like right now, I have two worker node. I just want to upgrade to four worker node. That how it can be possible. Let's see. It will be magic. Yeah, you can see only two. After this, execute this command to automatically it will upgrade to four. You can see, yeah, you see the node already upgraded to 4. You can also downgrade also, and you can also check the configuration details page whether it has been updated or not. 2 to 4, you can see the worker node has already been upgraded 2 to 4, and you can check the job also. You can job the Spark job already submitted 39 seconds before. So here the idea was to create the cluster and submit the job through command line, and how we can upgrade the worker node with the existing cluster. So it is also possible. Hope all these things will be. Hope you all guy will understand how we can create through command line, how we can create cluster and how we can submit the job. Uh, hope hope you guys will understand, and hope it will be helpful to create through command line how we can quickly create the cluster and how we can submit the job. So I think it will be helpful you all guys. So if you like this and you can subscribe my channel and you can like this video, and as for your requirement I'll create lots of video one by one. If you guys interested, then I'll create different solutions and different methodology to create. uh, I'll be mm, I'll be creating next, and whatever the possible solution to create in different method also, I'll be come up with the new video. Thank thank you all guys. Thank you very much.